My name is Shoaib Mulani. I am from Mechanical Department, A Division, A2 batch. The question is, triangular pyramid side of base 35 mm and height of axis is 60 mm is resting on one of its side of base on HP. The base of pyramid is 45 degree to the HP and slant edge is containing corner opposite to edge on which is the rest make an angle of 60 degree with VP. Draw its projection. Firstly we draw a triangular pyramid 35 mm side. 35 mm side triangular pyramid. And we draw the middle line of the triangular pyramid. In this line, midpoint, we draw the projection line. In the VP, we draw the axis line. We draw the 60 mm axis line. 60 mm axis line. Draw the and joining the line into the projection lines. And this diagram is tilted with 45 degree to the HP. So first of all, we can mark the angle of 45 degree. 45 degree. And firstly we draw a line. And we can measure the dimension of this line in the compass. First of all, dimension measures and mark the dimension in these lines. And joining the line and middle line, axis line, we can draw the line of 60 mm. We can draw the line of 60 mm and joining the line in projection. And draw the projection of line. And also draw the this side of projection. And joining the line into the projection, we found a new diagram. This diagram is tilted with 60 degree to the VP. So we can make an angle of 60 degree. So we take a 1 point, the angle of 60 degree. So we can found a 60 degree angle. So simply we will draw the one line of 60 degree. We draw the one line of 60 degree, 60 mm, and we can measure a dimension of this line. So we can measure a dimension with this line to the compass and mark the line. So we simply draw the line. And also we can measure the angle of this line. So the angle of this line is 47 degree. So we point to the 50 degree and draw the angle. And dimensions of this 3. So we draw the angle. Also this side we take the angle. Angle is 51 degree. So we degree. So we can make the 51 degree and simply draw the line of 330 mm and joining of its point and draw its projection and draw the this side projection and joining the line into the projection. We found a new diagram. Thank you.